Hello, darling. So excited about today's project. Why? Because it means I'm going to get rid of some shells. I'm one of those people that picks up shells on the beach. I blame it on my grandparents. They took us to the beach. They had us picking up shells. Now I realize it was just to keep us busy and out of their hair. But I have developed this lifelong obsession with collecting shells on the beach. So it's me and the little kids collecting all the shells. So I've got a bunch of shells and I need something to do with them. So I'm going to make some shell embellished twigs. It's going to be great. And here's a quick photo of the finished branches. And the supplies we're using today are lots of shells. It's got some twigs, some paint, and little beads and things, and also our trusty glue gun and hot glue. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm actually mixing a little bit of red into my white paint, and I'm painting my branches because I'm using these Easter branches that were green, so I'm painting them white, sort of like a pinkish white. And I'm just mixing up the paint, and I'm gonna go ahead and paint all of my branches with a couple layers of this white paint, and then I'm going to let that dry thoroughly. And just a little reminder that painting twigs like this can calm your mind and bring you flow. So let's get into the flow. I did add an extra layer of sealer on top of my paint, and then I let my twigs dry thoroughly, and then it's time to glue on the shells. So I've got my hot glue gun ready, and I've chosen some shells that I'm just sticking them on the branch with the glue and just going at my own speed and pace. And here you can see I'm using the hot glue to add some smaller pearls and beads in between the shells. Gives it a really good barnacle effect. All right, this is where I tell you to relax and keep going. I'm just adding shells at the little nodules on the twigs. There's no rules for this. You could cover the whole twig if you wanted. Also, you don't have to make your twigs as long as I did. I just made my branches really long, which was a little dramatic, but not really necessary. Anyway, don't overthink it and just keep adding shells until you get something that you really like. Okay, so I could have fast forwarded way faster on this clip, but I wanted you to see how I incrementally add the shells to the nodules on the twigs, and how I just kept going and adding shells, sort of in a haphazard way, if you will. Again, this activity can bring you flow and calm your mind, so just sit back and enjoy it and add your shells and take your time. And finally, putting the finishing touches on my branches, pulling off any glue, and just making sure everything looks right. So there you have it, shell embellished twigs. Easy to do, simple, fast, fun, just all around great project. So I hope you like this project, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.